What's the meaning of continuity? Continuity. Continuity.
Continuity. Continuity. Continuity refers to the state of being uninterrupted or connected. In mathematics, continuity is a property that describes how a function behaves over a range of inputs. A continuous function is one where small changes in the input result in small changes in the output, and where the value of the function at any point can be approximated by the values of the function at nearby points. Continuity is an important concept in calculus, where it is used to analyze the behavior of functions and make predictions about their limits and derivatives.